So we're here today for the renewal and the recommitment of both Cliff and Mimi. Eternal God, our Father, bless us today with an awareness of your presence as we celebrate the wedding of Mimi and Cliff.
Jamila, God is truly in the blessing business, and he always has been. And you still look the same to me. Just like you did years and years ago. I like to tell you, when we weren't together, I really felt like I was lost and I lost my best friend. But I thank God that he restores everything abundantly. And so I want you to know that I thank God for you. And I thank God for showing his love through you to me. And I cherish that.
I remember the day that I met you. We were only teenagers, but I knew that night that I was dancing with my husband. I don't know if it was the way that you seemed to just accept me, just the way I was, or if it was the twinkle of security in your eyes. But somehow I knew that I would love you forever. And Cliff, you are God's perfect will for my life.
I choose you alone from all the world to love and to cherish throughout all the changes of life. I dedicate myself to you alone and to your life's work, to join you so that together we may serve God and others as long as we live. God be my help.
I present to you Mimi and Cliff Styles.
When Mimi first met Cliff, and she was telling me that I just love his last name. I just want the Styles last name, and if I can get the Styles last name, that's it. That's all. I mean, I just love the name. So I just want to just really congratulate you on these years to come, and just whatever makes you guys happy together. You know, even in the good, in the bad, that security and that presence of just having you guys together. I almost cried when Cliff and Mimi did their speech, and I just want to thank everybody for coming out and being able to be here for this.
I'd like all of y'all to join me in praying and wishing for the new Mr. and Mrs. Styles all the wealth, the health, and happiness in the world by serving our Father and his Son together. So to the bride and grooms, cheers. I love y'all.
Through the ups and downs, it was God. Can humble a heart. And I encourage everybody to just get firmly rooted in their prayer life. That's all that's needed to heal any situation that you're going through. Amen.